Ever wondered what the common issues faced in water desalination facilities, gas pipes, cooling towers, dripping industries, agriculture, and even in pipes in food industry factories are? It's biofouling, a process where microorganisms form or biofilm on surfaces. This biofilm not only clogs membranes and pipes but also causes biocorrosion, affecting the efficiency and lifespan of these systems and presenting an environmental conundrum. Current solutions rely heavily on toxic chemicals and biocides, which, while effective, pollute our environment. Clearly, there's an urgent need for a solution that is both effective and environmentally friendly. Enter DisperseBio. Imagine a solution that not only tackles the biofouling problem but also cares for our environment. That's exactly what DisperseBio offers. This innovative solution takes a page from the book of nature, using a peptide that mirrors a compound found in sea anemones. This natural warrior signals bacteria to disperse before they even get a chance to form those pesky biofilms. But here's the best part. The DisperseBio solution isn't picky. It can be easily poured into a wide range of water systems, from desalination facilities to gas pipes, and it adheres to surfaces, creating a long-lasting barrier against future biofilm formation. All of this without a trace of biocides or harmful chemicals that contaminate our precious environment. With DisperseBio, we can finally say goodbye to toxic cleaning routines and costly maintenance. So what makes DisperseBio stand out? Let's revisit. It's environmentally friendly, using a natural peptide from sea anemones to prevent biofouling. It's cost-effective, saving you time and money on maintenance. But it's not just about cleaning. DisperseBio adheres to surfaces, warding off future biofilm formation. No more need for harmful biocides or contaminated liquids. With DisperseBio, we are not just solving a problem, we are paving a sustainable path for the future.